Ahoy there, mateys! Welcome aboard the story ship, setting sail for a swashbuckling adventure today. Grab your imaginary spyglasses and prepare to meet Captain Coral and the glowing treasure. Deep in the heart of a shimmering coral reef lived a feisty little mermaid named Coral. Unlike her friends who loved combing their seaweed hair and singing with the dolphins, Coral dreamt of buried treasure and hidden maps. She longed to explore uncharted waters and uncover the secrets of the deep blue sea. One sunny afternoon, while practicing her mermaid flips, Coral stumbled upon a weathered old bottle nestled amongst the coral. Inside, a rolled-up piece of parchment beckoned with a faded inscription. "Follow the path of glowing shells to a treasure beyond compare." Coral's heart thumped with excitement. This was her chance. Gathering her trusty seahorse companion, Seahorse Steve, who wasn't very trusty, but he was cute, Coral embarked on a daring adventure. Following the trail of shimmering, bioluminescent seashells that glowed like little underwater lanterns, Coral swam through coral canyons and across swaying kelp forests. She braved a school of grumpy grouper fish who really weren't that grumpy, just misunderstood, and dodged playful sea otters who loved stealing shiny objects like Seahorse Steve's sparkly seashell necklace. Finally, the trail of shells led them to a hidden shipwreck, a towering structure encrusted with barnacles and draped in seaweed. Coral, with a shiver of excitement, guided Seahorse Steve through a broken window into the dark interior. The air inside was thick with dust and the scent of the sea. Coral fumbled for a glowing seashell, its light illuminating a dusty treasure chest. With trembling finds, Coral opened the chest. But instead of gold and jewels, it was filled with glowing pearls. Coral's face fell. Where was the gold? The treasure map promised gold. But Seahorse Steve, ever optimistic, squeaked excitedly, "Look, Captain, these pearls are beautiful. They light up the whole ship." Coral looked closer. He was right. The pearls glowed with an ethereal light, creating a magical underwater haven inside the shipwreck. Coral realized this wasn't just any treasure. It was a treasure that brought light and wonder to the deep sea. From that day on, Coral became known as Captain Coral, the protector of the glowing shipwreck. She and Seahorse Steve welcomed curious sea creatures to marvel at the pearl-lit haven, proving that sometimes the greatest treasures are the ones that bring light and joy to others. So there you have it, mateys. Remember, adventure isn't always about gold and jewels. Sometimes the most valuable treasures are the ones we find along the way. Now batten down the hatches, because next time we're setting sail on a whole new adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories, and see you next time.